I'm going to show you what to do with all your little ends of solder. So when you're soldering, you're holding your rod, and when it gets to about this length, it gets too hot to hold. So I end up with hundreds of these, and I've just been making them into usable solder again, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you solder them together. So you heat one end up, and you heat the other end up, and then you run them together. So you heat one end, and then the other end. Just heating one piece of solder won't work. You have to heat them both, which it's hard to do at the same time, but there you go. If you move them while they're still hot, they'll just come apart. So I do them in twos, and then I will put them together. Sorry, that one's wobbling. I don't like that. Still wobbling. Never mind. See, because it's wobbling it. There. So now I can put them together, and I can make long rods, more like the sort of things you get from the shop. So obviously, principle is you don't throw away any of your little scraps, and this is how you can reuse them.